Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine and fit. So in the today's video we will discuss the third chapter of your syllabus, that is yoga and lifestyle. So students, in today's world everybody wants to remain fit and healthy. Everybody wants a healthy and prosperous life. Our modern life is very much full of machines. We are very much dependent on machines, computers. And most of our work is done by machines, and we feel uneasy when we are away from them. Most of our work is done by machines, which has made most man or human being unfit. Yoga teaches us how to quit our mind in order to attain a real lasting peace. It is very simple to perform and enjoyable. All of you know something about yoga. Yoga. The term yoga comes from a Sanskrit word that means union. Yoga is a withdrawal of sense organs from the worldly objects and their control. The meaning of yoga is samadhi. Yoga is a union of Atma and Paramatma. In other words, we can say that yoga is a connection between our soul and God. So the next topic is lifestyle. Lifestyle is a pattern of behavior or a way of an individual's life. How we live our life is known as our lifestyle. It is a composite of motivation, needs, wants, and is influenced by factors such as culture, family, references, group, and lifestyle system. A positive lifestyle can bring you happiness, while a negative lifestyle can lead you sadness, illness, and depression. The next one is asanas and preventive measures. According to Patanjali, we all know about Patanjali. Asanas means sthiram, sukham, asanam. That means the position which is comfortable and steady. To sit in a comfortable position or posture for everlasting period is called asana. So students, there are some benefits of asanas. First one is, through asanas we can make our bones and joints strong. Muscles can be made strong through asanas. Circulation of blood became normal. Respiratory organs became efficient. Efficiency of digestive system increases. Nerve system can be strengthened. Immune system can be made strong through yoga asanas. We will discuss these benefits in details in the online class. So students, in today's world the biggest problem what human beings feel is obesity. It is a condition of excess body weight and fat. When the size and number of fat cells increases in a person, then he used to be said obese. An obese person usually fat pairing to various diseases like cardiovascular diseases, hypertension, cancer, diabetes. The next one is types of obesity. Hyperstatic obesity. In this type of obesity, in which the number of fat cell increases. The next one is hypertrophic obesity. In this type of obesity, in which the size of fat cells increases. So students, the difference between two types of obesity: in hyperstatic obesity, the number of fat cells increases, and in hypertrophic obesity, the size of fat cells increases. Some causes of obesity. The main causes of obesity are imbalance between calories intake and calories consumed. It means that हम लोग जो भी खा रहे हैं पूरे दिन में और जो भी हमारा वर्कआउट हो रहा है, उन दोनों के बीच में जो इम्बैलेंस होता है, दैट लाइक वी यूज टू टेक फैटी डाइट बट अवर जॉब प्रोफाइल इज सिटिंग जॉब प्रोफाइल, by which we consume less calories and fatty acid increases in our body. The next one is heredity. What we are getting from our parents, grandparents, endocrine gland functioning, and the next one is lifestyle. Lifestyle is also very much important cause of obesity. How we are living in today's world. Effects of obesity. First one is high blood pressure. If a person is obese, he is unable to move freely, unable to do work freely, then there is a high blood pressure. Diabetic, hernia, heart diseases, liver malfunctioning, respiratory problems. There are some prevention of obesity is regular physical exercise. We have to do regular physical exercise in the morning or in the evening, once in the day. Regular yoga practice. Say no to alcohol and drugs. Avoid junk foods. Avoid overeating. Avoid smoking. By doing these things, we can prevent obesity. So students, that is all for today. We will discuss in detail in the online class on Friday. So be safe, be well, take healthy diet. Good day.